YouTube. Okay, my second chore of the day. I need to clean the observation hive. It's just that time of year. You can see they've eaten up some of the strips. There's the queen. They've got a lot of honey, a lot of propolis, and just, you know, they're going to make a mess of this through the winter, so it's just a good time to do it. So I figured I'd take you along with me and quickly show you how I clean the observation hive, and maybe we'll see something. I'll show you the outside real quick right now too. So this is the outside entrance of the observation hive. You can see they've got it all propolised up. Bees are kind of coming and going right now just a little bit, but they're out there foraging. But this goes straight through the wall and into the joint that goes up and into that observation hive. That's what it looks like. All right, inside I have two pieces of just blackout plastic that I need to take off. And I just want to show you a little bit of the structure here. So I showed you outside, there's a PVC pipe that comes in here and goes 90 degrees up. In order to secure the observation hive, I have two different little blocks that I need to put in. This one right here slides in, propolis probably closing it up a little bit, and this blocks off that pipe there. So that piece blocks off that pipe, and on this side of the hive, this plate goes right in here. And of course it's propolised up too, but this plate blocks off this hive. So it basically keeps most of the bees that could be coming, you know, in while I'm taking it apart occupied. That is a little sticky, but it's mostly in there. Okay, and then you might be able to see this up top. Let me just make sure the camera angle can see the top. Yeah, it can. I've got a pivot point down here and a wing nut up here. So I've got to hold this up here so this wing nut can be unscrewed. And here's where the hive comes off. You see it's loose? The wing nut. Now I lift this out and I've got the whole hive in my arms. And man, whoo! It's heavy. Okay, I successfully got that out. And let me just kind of show you here. This is the entrance here and closed off right here. So these bees right here were the ones that were just going to come up as I closed them off. So I'll just put a little rag in there for now. All right, let's go outside. All right, I'm gonna try to do this outside with my neck on, camera hold on. So basically, razor blades, a hive tool, some towels, some glass cleaner, and of course all of the amenities. And the way this works, obviously the bees are gonna come out and go everywhere, but you need to have a hive butler or something, another box to put the bees in. They've propolized this thing up pretty good. So it's going to be a little bit precarious, probably taking it apart. You got to treat the glass like it could break, so you got to be gentle with it. But in general, it works out pretty well. Taking all the wing nuts off. Don't see the queen on this side at the moment. And here's where I just slowly start cracking the propolis. Okay, I took you off my neck just because I think I was probably not giving you the best perspective. And I'm probably going to end up speeding this quite up quite a bit. So we'll just see how it goes. Starting to put the hive back together. Quick mite check. I'm guessing there's going to be a pretty high mite load in here only because I haven't been able to get in here and swap these strips in a while. High mite load. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 mites. That's kind of about what I expected with the amount of time since I was in here. So I am not surprised, but I am also gonna put some, I'm gonna put one of these sponges in here too. Here we go, back inside. Okay, well, let's wrap this up. The foragers will find their way back. Got some new comb in there. Got the wax back in there, got some new strips. Knock those mites back. Clean the observation hive. Thanks for sticking along with me.